Hello dear friends, today a little bit about the simplest of the Arduino course for beginners. We are talking about connecting the servo to the Arduino. For this project you will need a servo, an Arduino Uno, and pop of wires, 10 kilo ohms variable resistors, a simple 10 kilo ohms resistor, a breadboard, and programmer card. Let's start with our breadboard. You see the plus and minus, and that what we need. Let's start by connecting variable resistor. You just repeat after me, it's not difficult. The wire that comes from the center contact of the AC resistor you need to connect to the analog input of the Arduino. I will use input 0. Let's take a look at the servo. It has 3 wires: brown minus, red plus, yellow is the signal wire. Just repeat after me: plus, minus, and we connect the signal wire to the Arduino H digital pin. Now it remains to connect the plus of the breadboard, which the plus on Arduino, and the minus, which GND. And here what we got. Do not be afraid of this pile of wires. It is necessary to get skills. Let's look at the program code. In order to use the servo motor, we need to connect the servo library, declaring the variable servo1. Here you should name the variables that you will use. Port 0 you will use the analog input of the Arduino 0, which this command we use the Arduino digital output number H to control the servo motor. Here we configure the analog input as an input. Let's look at the program cycle while loop. I forgot to remove something unnecessary. We will need it a little later. And 0 and 1023. Yes. The analog read Commands allow you to get voltage value in number from 0 to 1023. At this point, we turn the numeric values into a rotation of the servo motor from 0 to 179 degree. We give the command to rotate the servo motor. This time delay is necessary for the smooth operation of the servo motor, which is originally from China. Let's download the program and see how it works. We complicate our project a bit and add a photoresistor instead of a variable resistor. You simply repeat after me. This is photoresistor, and we need this 10 kilo ohms resistor. Let's now see how our device works. Let's change the program code to make our device work better. We should see information about what values are coming from the photoresistor. To do this, we need to initialize the data exchange between the Arduino and the laptop. Output the data to the serial port monitor. Let's see what values will be displayed to the port monitor. I have a maximum value of about 630 and a minimum value of about 100. Let's change these values. Write 100 minimum and maximum 630. Let's see how the device works now. Let's restrict these values to the constraint operation. Let's see how it works. More better. Friend, that is all for now. I have released our notes for you, Arduino for beginners. You can buy them at the link in the description of the video. Also in the description there is this program code. If you are interested in my experiments, then write comments and subscribe to my channel. Until the next projects, all bye, don't get sick. Sincerely, Yuri Kovalenko.